Hello, my name is Zach Collier, and today we will learn about lean manufacturing. Before we discuss lean manufacturing, we need to first review manufacturing itself. Manufacturing is the process of transforming materials, substances, or components into new products. So what makes manufacturing lean manufacturing? According to the American Society for Quality, lean manufacturing is a set of management practices to improve efficiency and effectiveness by eliminating waste. The core principle of lean is to reduce and eliminate non-value-adding activities and waste. You may sometimes hear lean manufacturing referred to as lean production, lean thinking, or lean management. They all describe a philosophy that emphasizes adding value to the customer and a commitment to continuous process improvement. Lean manufacturing is based on 5 core principles: value, the value stream, flow, pull, and perfection. The first principle of lean is the identification of value. Value is determined from the perspective of the customer and includes how a product can meet a customer's needs, as well as the price and delivery time. Next, the second principle is to identify the value stream. Value stream mapping is a process of visually documenting all of the activities involved in the production process which add value for the customer. Some processes do not directly add value, but are nonetheless necessary to support the value-adding activities and to run the business. Activities that are both non-value adding and unnecessary are considered waste and should be eliminated. Third, lean manufacturing emphasizes the uninterrupted flow of value-adding activities from raw materials to the end user. Improving flow involves connecting materials, processes, machines, employees, and information in a seamless and uninterrupted manner. Fourth, pull refers to relying upon customer demand to direct the quantity of units produced. Using a pull system involves minimizing the stock of raw materials, work in progress, and final inventory on hand. Finally, lean manufacturing is focused on striving towards perfection through a process of continuous improvement. You may hear this referred to by the Japanese term kaizen. Fundamental to the philosophy of lean manufacturing is the reduction of waste. Waste can be divided into 8 categories: product defects, overproduction, time spent waiting unproductively, non-utilized or underutilized talent, transportation of goods from one location to another, excess inventory, unnecessary motion of people, machines, and items, and extra processing steps, which are non-value adding. All of these types of waste add costs but do not add value, and therefore should be eliminated. One of the several tools in the Lean Practitioner's toolkit is the 5S system, which can help to reduce waste. The 5 S's are sort, which involves removing unnecessary items and clutter; set in order, or make sure all necessary items have a designated place; shine, or make sure the workspace is clean; standardize the process by regularly sorting, setting in order, and shining the workspace; and finally, sustaining and reinforcing these best practices by making the 5 S's a habit. The most famous example of lean manufacturing is the Toyota production system. Toyota's goal is to achieve the best quality, lowest cost, shortest lead time, best safety, and highest employee morale by eliminating waste. The system is based on 2 principles: Jidoka and just-in-time. Jidoka seeks to build quality into the product through several principles and processes, such as separating the human from the machine, preventing errors, and the and-on system, which involves workers being able to stop the assembly line if they detect a problem. This ensures that defects do not propagate through the manufacturing process to the customer. Just in time seeks to make only what is needed, when it is needed, and in the amount needed by minimizing batch sizes, operating based on a customer pull system, and defining takt time, which is the processing time necessary to meet customer demand. A key element of just-in-time is Kanban, which is a system of visual signals, including cards and signboards, to indicate when inventory or parts need to be restocked to meet customer demand. Can the principles of lean manufacturing be applied to service industries? The short answer is yes. Lean has been successfully implemented across a number of service industries. However, service processes and manufacturing processes differ in a number of important ways, and therefore, implementing a lean service enterprise is not as simple as copying everything over from the manufacturing world. Implementing lean principles in a service-oriented industry requires thinking carefully about customer value and mapping the value stream, as well as thinking about how employees contribute to the customer experience. So what are the pros and cons of lean manufacturing? Since lean is focused on eliminating waste, some of the pros include reduced costs, lead times, and materials used. Additionally, the focus on customer value can build strong customer relationships. Importantly, lean empowers frontline employees to scientifically solve problems which may arise by using the plan, do, check, act cycle. However, there are some potential drawbacks as well. A just-in-time system with a focus on present customer demand and low levels of inventory can make the system vulnerable to equipment failures and labor shortages and large fluctuations in demand. Additionally, it can be difficult to transition a traditional manufacturing process to a lean one, and it requires buy-in from employees and management. You may have heard of other manufacturing philosophies, such as the theory of constraints and Six Sigma. How are these different than lean manufacturing? At a high level, lean is focused on reducing waste, while on the other hand, the theory of constraints is focused on identifying and managing system constraints, such as bottlenecks, while Six Sigma is focused on reducing variations. While we don't have enough time to go into all of the nuances here, it is important to note that approaches can be used together, such as Lean Six Sigma, which focuses on eliminating both waste and variation. All of these processes have the goal of increasing quality, but involve different methods and tools as a consequence of how they frame the problem. As a summary, lean manufacturing is a powerful approach for delivering customer value by increasing quality and reducing waste. We have just scratched the surface of the topic here. If you're interested in learning more, there are several resources that you can investigate about lean manufacturing. Several professional associations exist which provide training and tutorials, such as the American Society for Quality, the Lean Enterprise Institute, the Society for Manufacturing Engineers, and the Association for Manufacturing Excellence. Additionally, there have been a number of books published on lean if you are interested in diving deeper into the topic. Thank you for listening. I hope this presentation has been informative and has helped you to gain a better understanding of the principles of lean manufacturing.